Are your feet super sore after a full day of baking in the kitchen or cooking for company coming over? Or maybe you, being content creator, are filming all day or something like that, and your feet are sore from standing all day. You've got to try out this beautiful mat. I'm just going to show this to you that I was gifted by the brand. I absolutely love this. It is on the one side, this would go on the floor side, so it's kind of this shiny material. And then on this side, it's almost like it's a fabric, so almost like a soft carpet. And it just feels amazing on your feet. And this is a nice charcoaly gray color. It's a nice, probably 3.5, 4 feet long. So it's great to have by your sink if you're in the kitchen or wherever you are going to be standing for a long period of time. Maybe you want to use this with your sit-stand desk. There's so many different ways that you can use this to work and provide that extra comfort for while you are standing for long periods of time. Highly recommend it. I love this. It's nice and thick and cushiony. It basically revitalizes your feet and makes those times where you're standing for long periods not seem quite so long. And this is what the mat looks like laid out. So it's the perfect length just to have at your kitchen sink, along your island, somewhere like that. It is super cushiony, feels great on the feet. You could also use it as just your basic anti-fatigue mat for if you're standing at a desk or doing any kind of work. Highly recommend this. I really like this charcoal gray color as well. It will go with lots of different things. So yeah, check it out. It is really cushiony and soft. You will love it. Thanks.